In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new notebook in Evernote. Let's get started right from the Evernote web app. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main Evernote interface in your browser. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with different sections like Notes, Tasks, and Notebooks. What we want to focus on is that Notebook section. Go ahead and look for the word Notebooks on the left sidebar and click on it. This takes you to the main notebooks area, where you can see all the notebooks you've already created, if you have any. Think of notebooks in Evernote like folders that hold related notes together. For example, you might have one notebook for work, another for personal projects, and another for school or planning. Once you're on the Notebooks page, look for an option that says New Notebook. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on Evernote updates, but it's usually near the top of the page or as a button that stands out. Click on New Notebook to start creating your new notebook. At this point, in many cases, you would normally be able to type the name of your notebook and confirm it. However, in the current version of Evernote, when you try to create a new notebook, you may see a message or a pop-up asking you to upgrade your plan first. This happens because Evernote has certain limits on how many notebooks you can create on a free plan, or it might reserve some organizational features for paid subscriptions. If that upgrade prompt appears, you have a couple of options. You can choose to upgrade your plan if you want access to more notebooks and advanced features, and then come back and repeat the same process. Open the Notebook section, click on New Notebook, and then name and create it. If you prefer not to upgrade, you may need to work within your existing notebooks by reorganizing your notes, merging content, or deleting old notebooks you no longer need if that's allowed for your account. So, to quickly recap the flow, open Evernote in your browser, click on Notebooks in the left sidebar, click on New Notebook, and then be aware that Evernote may ask you to upgrade your plan before you can proceed with creating